Welcome to a quick tour of OCden training platform that helps you weave security awareness into the fabric of your organization. So when it comes to cybersecurity training, what does a typical organization need to put in place to build a resilient, security-aware workforce? First is core security awareness training, which covers the everyday fundamentals. Second, employees must be aware of all the security policies they need to follow. And it's not just about reading them. They need to officially acknowledge them too for compliance purposes. Third, they need to know the exact steps to follow in their day-to-day activities, based on the specific tools and systems they use. We call it role-specific cybersecurity training, and it's often the missing link in many training programs. And finally, what better way to keep security alive than with stories? A quarterly newsletter keeps security top of mind all year long. So let's see how we can configure these components in the OCden training platform and how to assign them to employees and track progress over time. So, this is the OCden app. And in the main menu bar, we have this training admin under the training drop-down. Click it, and the training page comes up, where you can create a new training. Over here, just give a name to your training. Let's say we are creating it for marketing team. So we can name it to Cybersecurity Training for Marketing Team. You can add a small description if you want, and just click on the Create button. Your newly created training is right now empty, meaning that you have not attached anything to this training yet. This is called the pre-launch mode. So let us now see, what can we add to this training? Courses. Yes, we want to add a core security awareness course. So click on Add Course and select from the drop-down. Next, newsletters. We want to attach a newsletter. So we do the same here. Now, what's next? We wanted to attach a policy, remember? In OCden, things like policies, risks, controls, etc. are called entities, and you can add any, or all of them as part of training. So let's get back to adding a policy. Click on Add Entity, and select Policy from the drop-down. For version, we select Live, and then we select the policy that we want to attach right now. Click on Add button, and we have got the policy added to our training. Now the last component of our training is Security Best Practices document that are specific to the systems employees use. These kind of documents that are specific to your organization, you can create in OCden Knowledge Base. For this demo, we have already created it and we are going to attach it now. Select KB from the drop-down. Select Document and click on Add button. That's it. We are done and ready to launch the training. Once the training is launched, we can assign it to the users. Just click on Assign Group and select the group from the drop-down. Due date, let's put within 15 days, and we are done. Training has now been assigned to all group members. Let's now look into how a user will see it in his account. So, now we are logged into Abigail's account. She can access her training by clicking on My Trainings. So this is the training that we assigned to her just now. When she clicks it, she can see all attachments, courses, policy, etc. When she clicks on Course, she can watch the training videos and take quizzes at her pace. Similarly, she can read the policy, which will open in a new tab, and acknowledge by clicking this button. Same goes for the Best Practices document. Click on the link, it opens in a new tab. This document lists out the exact steps required on Google Ads and HubSpot, the systems used by Abigail for her marketing campaigns. So, that brings us to the end of the video. As you saw, it is quite easy to tailor and assign trainings on OCden training platform. If you are interested, you can contact us for your free trial now.